Hi guys, we're in a hotel right now and we're gonna be getting ready for the day. We have a booked and busy day. We are going to the Taco Bell on the beach today, I think. I hope. I'm in a robe right now. I just came back from a breakfast. I went to breakfast on the rooftop, so it was so beautiful and gorgeous. So make sure you guys watch the vlog to see that. So let's get ready together. You guys, isn't my makeup bag so freaking cute? It's like this little like leopard makeup bag. And then it has a mirror in it. Actually the best freaking thing ever for traveling, not even gonna lie, so highly recommend. But we're gonna get ready together. My friend is currently on the way back. If you guys do not know, we're currently in San Francisco. I need to drink this water because like I'm gonna die. I'm currently in San Francisco right now for the first ever time, and it's really, really exciting. We haven't really done much today, so like today is kind of like the really, really full day, like jam-packed, where we gotta do a lot of things today and tomorrow. So wait, you guys are like at an angle. So we're gonna get ready. My friend's on her way. She'll be here in 30 minutes. So like the goal is for me to basically do my makeup as fast as I can before she gets here. So then when she gets here, we can chat, because she was staying with me the first night. She was supposed to stay with me last night, but then she ended up going like to see her boyfriend to update me on her festivity. Call 911 because I cannot find my eyebrow brush. Alert the police, alert the police. I keep thinking that it's crooked. Am I just crooked? I think maybe it's just me. But guys, we're in San Francisco right now. I've been here for like a day and a half. Like yesterday was my first full day, and we did stuff. We also like, I don't know, didn't do stuff at the same time. So we went to Pier 39 yesterday, and like that was like nice to like see, and I still like the sea lions and all that stuff. They're so cute. And then we had dinner. Then we came back here because we wanted to take like a little nap, and then we had dinner reservations like super late. There was this restaurant that I wanted to go to, and the only available time was, okay, so like might I tell you, they close at 10 p.m. The only available time was 9:45, and so obviously I had to do 9:45 because that was the only available time. Like, you know, I have like the world's largest pimple like inside of my eyebrow right now. I wonder if I could pick her off with a tweezer. I just picked it off with my nail. Great. Now it's gonna leave an indentation in my forehead. Okay guys, we got the eyebrows on. Now we're gonna move on to the eyeshadow. That pimple is seriously, she killing my vibe. She killing every vibe that she killing every single vibe that I have. But yeah, you guys, today we are going to the Taco Bell on the beach, and I'm so freaking excited. If you guys do not know, I am currently here visiting my friend Sarah. I've been wanting to come here for so long, and then there was just never a time really that like ever worked out like over the years and all that stuff. She was always busy. She'd be busy with work, or she would be just like, you know, busy with her personal life, and like never could really like, you know, like take time. And like same with me, I was going other places, just all that stuff. The schedules never lined up. And then finally I was just like, girl, like I want to come see you. I want to go to San Francisco. I've never been to San Francisco. I was seeing it all over my TikTok, and I was just like, ugh, like I want to. And then I was thinking about the Taco Bell on the beach, which me and her have been friends since like I think like 2015 maybe, or like 2014 or something like that. And so we've been literally talking about the Taco Bell on the beach. And now like she lives here, so she's been there. Like her parents live in Pacifica, which is where the Taco Bell on the beach is. And so we're gonna go to the Taco Bell on the beach. Well, we're gonna go see, I'm going to meet her parents because I've never met her parents before, and like we used to like FaceTime all the time. And then she wants to show me, she has 3 cats, and so she wants me to see her cats, which I'm really, really excited to see, and meet her animals because she's had them like literally since like we've been friends. And so yeah, that's like the first plan. And then we actually have like a long list of like other things that we need to get done. I need to go see the Golden Gate Bridge. I need to go to this gift shop. I need to go to this coffee shop that's on the Golden Gate Bridge. Then I need to go to these 2 beaches that look over the Golden Gate Bridge. Then I want to go to Lombard Street. Then I want to go see the Painted Ladies, which is like the Full Houses. And then I want to go to, I think it's called like Mission Dolores Park. I don't know, like it's like pretty, like bring a fucking sandwich, sit on the ground, like, you know, like, yeah. Like go like see the views. So we deadass have so much to do because I'm only here technically for 2 full days. Like this is a full more day. Yesterday was a full day. I have full more day today, full more day tomorrow, and then I leave. But yeah, Sarah's on her way back. It's currently, she'll be here literally in probably like 15-ish minutes. So I'm trying to do like the makeup like quickish, so then when she's here I'm not like, you know, talking to you guys. I also don't like to film in front. Shut up. It just get louder and louder and louder, I swear to God. But yeah, guys, I don't like to film in front of people. I'm like very weird about that because then I feel like I can't like talk or like say my thoughts. I feel like I'm being judged. I feel like when I'm, oh my God, hurry up. But yeah, guys, I don't like to film in front of people. I feel like I can't like just like talk. I don't know. So like if I'm filming, I'm like, get the fuck out of the room. Like to like, you know, like I don't want people around me. It's 12:25. So we're actually kind of getting a better start on the day. Yesterday, we didn't leave until like literally 2, and like we didn't do anything. Like I didn't really like, I mean I went to breakfast like in the coffee shop, and that was really nice, like downstairs. But we went on the rooftop today, so stay tuned for the vlog and all that stuff. You guys will see. that I went to the rooftop, and yeah, it was really, really beautiful, gorgeous. It's starting to get like really hot though. I thought I was gonna get like a scalp burn, like literally a scalp burn. So I had to put my hood on and like keep it on. I seriously thought I was gonna have a scalp burn, but I'm honestly excited because I've been wanting to come here for a long time, and I've been wanting to explore these places, and Taco Bell on the Dream Beach has like seriously been a dream. Like, we have been talking about Taco Bell on the beach since 2016. It is now 2025, and like that's been 9 years that I've been talking about this. Guys, it's like causing a traffic jam over there. People like don't know how to drive. People actually do not know how to drive here. Like, I thought Arizona drivers were really bad, but like people really don't know how to fucking drive here. Like, it's not good. We also got like a lot of like honk ass fuckers down here. Like, they honk for everything. Like, they just honk to honk. I think like some of them are generally just bored and they just want to honk the horn just to honk the horn because they're bored. Okay, we did the eyeshadow. Now let's move on to the face. Usually with the face I can do it really quickly. Wait, I'm gonna track her and see like how far is she? It says that she is 17 minutes away. But then she's gonna have to like give her car to valet, all this stuff, which also, guys, they're charging like an arm and a leg for valet here. And they're literally parking it across the street in this parking garage that essentially like we could pay for, but they're essentially charging like $5 more. Okay, you guys already know Bobbi Brown. I recently had to get a brand new one because we ran out of the other one that I have. I love this product. I'll say it time and time again. It is expensive, but it is worth it. I used to not understand or the justification behind it, and then I started to use it. It's like one of those products that it doesn't matter what foundation you use, it doesn't matter what concealer you use, like your makeup always looks good. I've been really dry down here, so I need to like make sure it's really moisturized. But I love this stuff. But you can get the travel. I have the full size. The full size version I think is like $65. But it lasts a very, very long time. Like, the other one seriously lasts me like an entire year. So like, do the math. 365 divided by 65. That's like fucking like 30 cents a day. I don't know. I'm gonna also put this one on. This is the One Size Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet. Since we're gonna be by the beach, like I don't know how my makeup is going to be, so we want to secure her on all day long. Guys, I'm actually so excited to see the Taco Bell on the beach, and I think the drive is gonna be like so pretty because we'll be like, you know, like, guys, like seriously, enough with the fucking honking, you motherfuckers. Okay, now we're gonna go in with this one. El Pelo Glow. I haven't used this in a while, guys, because I haven't been tan. Like, I have a self tan on right now, thank God. Because like I've been Casper the fucking Friendly Ghost for, I'm not even joking you, like the last like couple months. Like, it really like, yeah. There's a bathtub in here that's so beautiful, and I took a bath last night and it was so just, I put a bath bomb. Guys, do you keep like going crooked? I can't tell. I took a bath last night and it was so relaxing and nice. We're definitely gonna take a bath tonight, and then we're gonna take a bath tomorrow. I didn't wash my hair today because I'm gonna wash it later, because I figured that like if we're gonna go to the beach, it's just gonna get like gross, right? So I'd rather have like fresh, like clean hair like for like later and all that stuff. We have an entire list of like things that I want to do. Like I said before, don't really know like what the plan is, so I'm gonna update you guys like throughout. I have like literally 10 things though. Like, there's 10 things on the list that I need to go see. I thought we were going to the beach tomorrow. Like, I thought we were going to the Taco Bell tomorrow, but then she told me it was today. And so now my plan's kind of like, now I'm like kind of like moving things around from like other days. I never had an itinerary. I just had like a mock itinerary of things that like I wanted to get to. And then I tried to make like a mock itinerary to make it like easier. And so we weren't doing too much on one day. You know what I mean? I'm really excited though. The Taco Bell on the beach has been a dream. And I know I keep talking about it and you guys are probably like, Maddie, what? But like, literally guys, it's a Taco Bell and then you fucking step on the beach. Like, are you kidding me? Many years ago, my dad had work here and he literally went, and I was so freaking jealous. Like, Dad, you don't even like Taco Bell. I'm breaking out a lot right now though, and my stomach is cramping so bad because I'm about to get my period in literally like 2 days. Luckily, hopefully it hits when I'm already back home, because like I feel like nothing's worse than being on a trip. But I am like really annoying, and like I get pre-period symptoms. Oh my God, guys, I didn't even cover my acne. Frick, I was like, why do I not look as flawless right now? I forgot to cover my acne. Frick, it might look weird, hold on. Cause these pimples are killing my vibe. I mean, she's definitely had worse days, so like, I can't really complain. This Rare Beauty stuff I'm like obsessed with, and I almost have like literally none left. And I'm kind of like stressed out because I literally use that like on my makeup like all the time. Guys, yesterday it was so windy that my eyes started to cry. And apparently I started missing makeup right there. I was literally walking around with like missing makeup all day, I had no idea. Like, what do you mean? What do you mean I walked around like that all day and I didn't even notice? I didn't even notice that. Okay, you guys already know, Skin Enhancer. I love her. I really need a new one. I was thinking about getting a new one with the Sephora sale, but I think the Sephora sale is over now. Okay, well, it works better for me because I really only needed like one item. And like originally I had a bunch of things in my cart that added up to $400. And like, I don't need any of that. I really don't. Like the only thing that I really needed is like this. And there was like one more item that I think was like a backup. Okay guys, like 2 people are actually talking to themselves like on the street. I don't know what's going on. Like it's very active today. It's like the weekend, like it's more active today, I feel like. I'm staying in an area where I've mentioned this before, but obviously I'm not from here, so I don't know what you should avoid and what you should stay. So I picked the hotel based on aesthetics. I picked this hotel and I went through like 100 hotels and this was the prettiest. So like, obviously I'm gonna pick this one, you know what I mean? Like obviously I'm gonna pick this one because it's beautiful and gorgeous in the bathtub and like all that stuff, right? I like pick based on like aesthetics. Well, apparently I picked quite literally the worst area that you could stay in. Quite literally the worst. I mean, like here's the thing. I'm like from Arizona and like downtown Phoenix is like very similar to this. So like it doesn't scare me, I guess. Like, but like I could see why a lot of people would be like turned away, but the hotel is so freaking nice. There's security 24/7 and it's like, there's nothing to do in this area that you would be walking around, you know what I mean? So like you would just stay here and then you would leave the premises. And so like, I really, really like the hotel for that aspect, you know, like I'm not walking around. Oh wait, frick, I was supposed to do blush first. Guys, what am I doing? Like, I'm actually tweaking out. Like, something's wrong with me. Like, guys, we weren't supposed to do that yet. Ah! Ah! Okay, I'm gonna use this I'm gonna use the Road. I really, really like this one. And I've also been obsessed with this e.l.f. one. She freaking slays. She's like $7. I'm addicted to her, but I used it yesterday. So we're gonna use this girly today. I don't really know why, but I'm like extremely frazzle-brained. I think it's because I'm about to get my period and so like I don't have energy, and I'm also like, I went to bed super, super late last night. I was very, very stressed out. Like my family was stressing me out on vacation. I'm 700 miles away and they were stressing me out about a situation that I can't help or do anything about because I am 700 miles away and there's literally nothing I can do. And so at 2 o'clock in the morning, they start telling me all this like stuff and like it's stressing me out and I can't go to bed. And so I'm crying and I'm sobbing and like it literally made me so sick that at 3 o'clock in the morning, I'm trying to go to bed, right? 3:30 in the morning, I jump out of bed, run to the toilet because I was like, I'm gonna throw up. Like my stomach is cramping so bad. Like I'm so just like sick over like what they, like I'm just so stressed out, all this stuff. And so I went to bed at literally like 4 freaking o'clock in the morning. My shit's rocking, like my head, like everything hurts. I woke up today at like literally like freaking 8. And so there's like, we're running on like 4 hours of sleep. And one thing about me, guys, is like I need my sleep or I get ill and sick. So I'm a little scared, not gonna lie. And the fact that I'm about to get my period, so like the one thing that's really annoying about me is I get like pre-period symptoms. So like 4 days before my period, like always like the weekend before my period, because my period always comes usually on like a Monday or a Tuesday. Well actually no, sometimes it depends. Sometimes it'll come on like a Wednesday. Like Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, always it comes, right? I always get the pre-symptoms. And so we're in pre-symptom status right now. And it's so annoying. Like, what do you mean? I'm gonna have to have symptoms the entire week plus pre? Like, it's just not okay. So yeah. But like I need my sleep or I get ill. Like I get like a migraine and I get like super sick. And you guys already know like I have really, really bad like headaches and migraines. Also guys, I don't know what to wear because we're going to the beach like first, so it might be like a little cold. So I'm gonna have to wear like jeans and then probably like a sweater. Like I'm not gonna be able to wear like a super, super cute outfit, but I think then like we'll probably come back and like I'll change into like a really, really cute outfit. Like definitely we're changing for like the nighttime and dinner and all that stuff. But, like I want to change like again. I don't know. Oh, she's like literally basically here. Okay, she's like 2 blocks away. Okay guys, we gotta speed round. The next like 2 minutes I can't talk to you. We gotta spray this because my face is getting dry. Dry, 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 dry. Please dry down quickly because we have to set you because my friend is 0.2 miles away. To dry, dry, dry. You guys already know the drill. Laura Mercier, Ultra Blur, love her. But okay, they have a rose, like a rose version or like a pink, bitch. I got a powder puff. What was I gonna say? Wait, I forgot. I can't talk to you guys right now. Hold on. Speed round. Setting. Oh, I was saying that there's like a rose version of this powder and it's like a tinted pink kind of. Oh my god, it's incredible. Low-key, I've been using that one for the last like 2 weeks. I just didn't bring it. I brought this one because I didn't know how it was gonna, like I like that one whenever I'm like pale. And like I have a self-tan kind of on right now. Not like kind of, I really do have a self-tan on right now. Guys, I think we might actually, oh my god, wait, I brought a sweater. So maybe we'll wear a sweater today. We're rushing. Laura Mercier, number 3. Bronzer. She still has to get ready when she's here because like her makeup's here, but I still have to do my hair. So like when she's doing her makeup for like 20 minutes, I'll be able to do my hair. And I also wanted to use the bathroom, and that's where like she gets ready. So I want her to sit right here. So that's another reason why I'm trying to quickly early, so then she can sit right here, do her makeup, and then I can use the bathroom. So I can do my hair because I can't do my hair anywhere else. This is the Makeup by Mario Mellow Mauve blush. I love her, she's so beautiful. I'm gonna put lashes on as genuinely like the last literal step because I cannot be bothered with that right now. I'm gonna put this literally like right before we leave. We literally got ready before she came. I had 30 minutes to get ready too, guys. So that means that we literally did all of this in 30 minutes. Wow, look at us go, girls. This is Kylie and Stoss highlighter, by the way. You guys know I love this one. I do my inner corner highlight because I'm 2016 makeup coated. Amazing. Let's curl our lashes and apply my favorite mascara. YSL one, guys, it's so freaking good. I've also been testing out this one. I got a new one recently. This Giorgio Armani just came out with a brand new mascara, so I've been trying that one. Guys, I already ran out of storage again. I just cleared 60 minutes. Okay, now we got this YSL mascara. We're gonna put this on, and then we gotta rush to do the hair. Hi.
Hi. I didn't notice the key cards here are just blank white cards.
Blank as fuck. Like, I know, I actually hate that. I do not like that at all. I've never in entire, like, I've never had that before. Have we seen him before?
Yeah.
Which one was that one? Did we see him last night? Who was the one last night?
I think it was him. I think they work like 12-hour shifts or something. Or like 14, 16-hour shifts.
That's actually nice. We gotta go do our hair. Let's go. Some hair oil in it. I've been loving this one. Wait, I'm not in focus. This one, Moroccan oil frizz control.
I look exactly like my sister.
I look like a freak because I have no lip liner on, so we're gonna put some lip liner on. Guys, I'm not applying lashes until dead ass the very, very last step. Guys, we're standing outside the hotel. We're about to go to the Taco Bell on the beach. I'm so excited, guys. I'm literally so excited. We'll be there in like, what, 30-ish minutes? Yeah. We're waiting for the valet right now. And then we're gonna be on the route. Let's go.